Hello class, this is Champon. For today's lesson, we are going to look at how to access information from educational softwares. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to know what educational softwares are, and also to give some examples of educational softwares. So we will look at what educational softwares are. When you talk of educational software, there are examples of application softwares, and these softwares are designed to assist students in learning and teachers in teaching. We have many examples of this software. Here are some few examples of them. We have Encarta, Mavis Beacon, Brola, Fluid Math. We have GeoGebra, Clue Finders, Wikipedia, Encyclopedia Britannica, WordWeb, then Model. All these are educational softwares, and all these programs helps students and teachers in teaching. As I said earlier, they are application softwares, so this program does not come with other operating systems. They need to be installed on computers before we can have access to them. We can use them offline and at the same time online. So for today, we'll be looking at one of these examples of educational softwares, and that is Encarta. We'll be looking at how to launch the Encarta application. So Encarta is an educational software designed by the Microsoft Corporation to assist students in learning and teachers in teaching. This program comes in the form of a suite. When you say a suite, you are referring to programs or applications that comes in the form of a bundle. That means it consists of other programs and it comes together as one. So Encarta is a program or an application that comes in the form of a suite. It contains other applications. So in the Encarta program, we have Encarta itself, which is Microsoft Students. It's Encarta Premium 2009 DVD. Then we have the other application within the suite as Encarta Case, Encarta Dictionary, Encarta Math. Now let's look at how to launch Encarta Premium on our computers. To launch this program, the first thing you have to do is to locate the start button. So first of all, you click on the start button, which is at the left corner of the taskbar that is seen on the desktop. So when this is being clicked, it will display the start menu. Then in the start menu, you will click on all programs. After clicking on all programs, you'll be given options and applications that are on the computer. So from that options and applications, you have to click on Microsoft Student. That will be a folder. So you click on Microsoft Student. Then after that, you click on Microsoft Student with Encarta Premium 2009 DVD. The Encarta application comes in different versions. So as we have 2009 here, this is a version. So depending on your version, you just locate the Encarta Microsoft Student and click on it. After clicking on this, you'll be given a window. That's the Encarta Premium window. When you talk of a window, it's any rectangular box that displays on the desktop when an application or a file is open. So with this program, this is what we'll be having on our desktop screen as the working area for the application. So as we can see here, we have the name Encarta Premium, and here we have subjects on which keywords can be typed and searched on. So we have something like history, geography, people and society, science and nature, art and literature, sports and recreation, games and fun stuff, dictionary, then Encarta case. Within the application window, we can also see a search box over here. That search box is there for the user to type in a keyword on what she or he is trying to search on. After typing in the search box, you can now click on the go icon over here, which will display the content of what you typed in. Now let's look at these keywords we mentioned in our lesson. We made mention of suite and window, and as I said earlier on, a suite is an application software that comes in a bundle. That means it comes with other programs or applications. Then we have a window to be a rectangular box that appears when an application is launched or executed, or whenever you open a file on the computer. Or we can say that a window is the working area of an application when launched. We will end our lesson here, but before we go, we'll look at some exercises over here which you have to do and submit to your website. Now the exercises are: what is educational software? So you define what educational software is. And the next one, define the term suite. Define the term suite. Then 3, you give 3 examples of educational software. Then 4, you list the steps in launching Microsoft Encarta Premium 2009 DVD. So that's all for today. Our next lesson will be on how to use the search facility in Encarta to search for information. Thank you.